Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode, AI Memory, Learning, Unlearning, and Responsibility, highlights the latest advances in machine learning. We explore 41 new research papers from the cs.LG field with a focus on safe, precise AI unlearning. Discover how breakthroughs, from privacy to efficiency, are shaping the future of trustworthy and adaptable AI. We'll take an in-depth look at the work by Angelica and colleagues, guiding you through the evolution of responsible artificial intelligence. Imagine instructing your AI assistant to forget a confidential secret instantly and safely. The central challenge: can unlearning in machines be as precise as learning itself? Researchers are now racing to erase specific facts from AI models without compromising their established skills. This capability is no longer science fiction. It represents the current frontier in machine learning. The process of AI unlearning is poised to transform trust, safety, and user control in intelligent systems. Machine learning underpins the applications, assistance, and critical decisions that power daily life. However, models sometimes memorize data they should not, raising privacy concerns. The research community is seeking methods to surgically remove these unwanted memories from AI systems. Today's episode examines how the field addresses learning, unlearning, and safe adaptation. We will connect the major research themes, highlight key breakthroughs, and explore future visions for responsible AI. Envision machine learning as a dynamic city built on ideas, code, and data. At its core is cs.LG, the central hub where cutting-edge advances converge. The city's interconnected streets represent domains such as language, vision, robotics, and theory, all linked by the principles of machine learning. Like a major train station, cs.LG directs the flow of research and innovation. The work published here not only advances academic knowledge, but also shapes the technology that integrates into everyday life. Language models can be thought of as vast libraries, each containing billions of books representing facts and skills. The challenge lies in removing a single book or fact without destabilizing the entire collection. Angelica and colleagues introduce GRIN, a framework that pinpoints and erases specific memories with high precision. This process is akin to a technologically advanced librarian erasing only the unwanted lines. Responsible AI requires not only the ability to learn, but also the discernment to know what and how to forget. Federated learning enables collaborative model training while ensuring that private data remains local. This scenario can be likened to a group of friends sharing skills, yet never revealing their personal diaries. Yoon and colleagues present FedMeNF, a method for efficient, privacy-preserving collaboration. Through cryptographic techniques and noise injection, the risk of data leakage is minimized. Such advances are crucial for domains like healthcare, finance, and other sensitive applications where confidentiality is paramount. Training advanced AI models frequently demands significant energy and computational resources. Liu and colleagues' LoRaR framework introduces smarter data replay and periodic resets to improve efficiency. This is comparable to a marathon runner covering the same distance with half the calories. Additionally, fractional loss functions allow models to optimize outcomes even when data is imperfect, much like chefs adjusting recipes with suboptimal ingredients. Robustness in AI now means performing reliably even with noisy or incomplete data. A series of key findings exemplifies the current frontiers in AI research. Angelica et al.'s GRIN enables safe, surgical, and measurable erasure of facts from models. Liu et al.'s LoRaR framework permits models to reset and achieve more with less training data. Yun et al.'s FedMeNF ensures privacy during collaborative model training. Zhou et al. Introduce activity diff, which generates drug molecules that are both safer and more effective. Rudorfer and collaborators demonstrate that AI agents can learn to cooperate flexibly with unpredictable partners. Together, these breakthroughs illustrate the field's technical diversity and real-world impact. The paper of the day is Anjarlikar et al.'s work on targeted unlearning with GRIN, which establishes a new paradigm for precision forgetting in language models. The core challenge addressed is the erasure of a specific fact without damaging the remainder of a model's knowledge base. Traditional unlearning methods tend to remove information broadly, often with unintended consequences, while GRIN achieves surgical precision. Motivated by privacy laws, ethical considerations, and the need for user trust, this approach is likened to removing a single thread from a complex tapestry. GRIN sets a new standard for responsible, adaptable AI. GRIN, or Gradient Ratio Influence with Noise, operates by identifying the model parameters most responsible for an unwanted memory using gradient-based analysis. The gradient ratio metric functions similarly to a heat map, highlighting critical hotspots within the model. Targeted noise is then injected specifically at these points, disrupting only the undesired memory. Subsequent fine-tuning helps the model recover and minimizes any side effects. GRIN's key strengths are its precision, modularity, and the ability to deliver quantifiable outcomes across diverse architectures. The impact of GRIN extends across trust, measurement, and future applications. It consistently outperforms earlier unlearning methods on targeted forgetting benchmarks. Newly developed metrics assess both the effectiveness of forgetting and any unintended collateral effects, providing robust and reliable results. The framework has been validated on industry-standard benchmarks, demonstrating practical reliability. GRIN directly addresses real-world needs in privacy, regulatory compliance, and user demands. This research exemplifies how human-driven motivations are shaping the trajectory of trustworthy artificial intelligence. Looking ahead, the future of AI can be envisioned as a carefully tended garden, pruned, nurtured, and shaped with responsibility in mind. Upcoming research directions include combining the creative capabilities of neural networks with the logical rigor of symbolic systems. Emphasis is shifting toward measuring progress through fairness, transparency, and real-world impact, rather than mere increases in model size or speed. These innovations are laying the foundation for AI systems that can adapt, learn, and even let go of information responsibly. The road ahead promises growth, innovation, and shared responsibility within the research community. In summary, the pulse of contemporary machine learning is marked by advances in learning, unlearning, and ethical progress. Landmark contributions from Anjarlikar and others are pushing the boundaries of precision and user trust in AI systems. Immediate needs, ranging from data privacy to computational efficiency, are driving the research agenda. Listeners are encouraged to explore the open access papers and participate in the ongoing dialogue. The frontier of AI is a collective journey. Your engagement helps shape its future direction. The synthesis and review for this episode utilized advanced AI tools for summarization and narration, specifically GPT 4.1 for text and OpenAI's TTS for voice synthesis, with visuals generated by Google's image tools. All content was thoroughly reviewed by a human expert to ensure accuracy and clarity. Despite rigorous checks, minor oversights may remain. Listeners are advised to consult the referenced papers for comprehensive understanding. Full transparency is maintained with provided references and further reading. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer. This video uses arXiv.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.